Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore a very interesting and collectible coin, the Australia 50 cents coin from 1979 in fine condition. If you are a coin collector, investor, or just curious about old coins, this video is definitely for you. Let's begin with a little history. The Australian 50 cents coin was first introduced in 1966 when Australia shifted to decimal currency. The original 1966 version was made with silver, but later coins, including the 1979 issue, were produced using a different metal composition. By 1979, this coin had become a regular part of everyday transactions, but over time, it has gained attention among collectors due to its design and vintage value. Now talking about the condition, a coin described as fine condition means it has been circulated but still holds decent detail. You can expect some wear on the high points of the design, but the overall appearance remains clear and attractive. This level of condition is quite common in older coins, yet still very collectible because it reflects real historical usage. Moving on to the background and composition, the 1979 Australian 50 cents coin is made of cupronickel, which is a mix of copper and nickel. It has a distinctive dodecagonal shape, meaning it has 12 sides, making it very unique compared to round coins. The reverse side features the Australian coat of arms, which includes symbols like the kangaroo and emu, representing the nation's identity and heritage. This iconic design adds to the coin's charm and appeal. When we talk about collector demand, this coin holds steady interest in the market. While it is not considered extremely rare, many collectors aim to complete year sets or collect coins from the 1970s era. The 1979 coin fits perfectly into these collections. Beginners especially find it attractive because it is affordable, yet still part of Australia's rich numismatic history. Demand increases slightly when the coin is in better condition or part of a complete set. Now let's discuss the most important part, the current market value. In fine condition, the Australia 50 cents 1979 coin usually ranges between $145,000 to $345,000. In some cases, depending on the exact condition and buyer interest, it might go slightly higher, but generally, it remains in this affordable range. While it may not be a high-value coin, it is still a great starting point for collectors and a meaningful piece of history. For those interested in collecting, here are some helpful tips. Always check the condition carefully before buying or selling. Small differences in wear can affect value. Try to store your coins in protective holders to avoid damage over time. If possible, collect coins as part of a series because complete sets often have more value than individual pieces. And most importantly, always buy from trusted sources to ensure authenticity. As we come to the conclusion, the Australia 50 cents 1979 coin in fine condition may not be extremely rare or expensive, but it carries historical significance and collector appeal. It is a great example of how even everyday coins can become valuable over time, not just in money, but in history and passion for collecting. Next up, coin number 2. Today's video is going to be especially exciting for coin lovers and collectors, because we are diving into a beautiful and unique piece from Australia, the 2004 Australian 50 cents coin featuring the Australian Fauna series, highlighting the colorful lorikeet, the iconic koala, and the charming wombat. If you enjoy discovering hidden value in coins and understanding what makes them special, then stay with me until the end, because this coin has more story and value than you might expect. Let's begin with the history behind this coin. In 2004, Australia released a special commemorative 50 cents coin as part of its celebration of native wildlife. Australia is known worldwide for its rich biodiversity, and this coin captures that essence perfectly. The design features 3 beloved animals, the lorikeet, known for its vibrant feathers and energetic nature, the koala, which symbolizes calmness and Australian identity, and the wombat, a sturdy and often overlooked but fascinating marsupial. This coin was issued by the Royal Australian Mint, and it quickly became popular among collectors due to its artistic design and cultural significance. Unlike standard circulation coins, this one carries a deeper connection to Australia's natural heritage, making it more than just currency. Now let's talk about the condition, because condition plays a huge role in determining a coin's value. The coin we are discussing today is in very fine condition. This means that while it may show some signs of circulation, the major design elements are still clearly visible. The details of the animals, the feathers of the lorikeet, the fur texture of the koala, and the shape of the wombat remain distinguishable, although slightly worn. A very fine coin still holds strong appeal for collectors, especially when the design is as detailed and meaningful as this one. It strikes a balance between affordability and quality, making it a great option for both new and experienced collectors. Moving on to the background and composition of the coin, the Australian 50-cent coin is quite distinctive compared to many other coins around the world. It is not round but rather dodecagonal, meaning it has 12 sides. This unique shape makes it instantly recognizable, even by touch. The coin is made from cupronickel, which is a blend of copper and nickel. This composition gives the coin durability and a silver-like appearance, helping it withstand circulation while maintaining its visual appeal. The size and weight of the coin also add to its premium feel, making it stand out in any collection. Now let's explore collector demand, which is where things get even more interesting. Coins featuring wildlife themes tend to attract a wide range of collectors, not just from Australia, but from around the world. The 2004 Australian Fauna Series coin is especially appealing because it combines multiple iconic animals into one design. This increases its desirability, as it represents more than one aspect of Australian wildlife. Additionally, collectors who focus on commemorative coins or animal-themed coins often seek out pieces like this. While it is not an extremely rare coin, its artistic value and thematic appeal keep demand steady and growing over time. So what about the current market value? In today's market, a 2004 Australian 50-cent fauna coin in very fine condition typically ranges between $3,450,000 to $370,000. The exact value can vary depending on factors like eye appeal, minor variations in condition, and whether the coin is sold individually or as part of a set. If the coin were in higher grades, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, the value could increase significantly. However, even in very fine condition, this coin holds respectable value and remains a worthwhile addition to any collection. For those of you who are collectors or thinking about becoming one, here are a few helpful insights to keep in mind as you explore coins like this. Always pay close attention to the condition of the coin, because even small differences can affect value. Try to store your coins in protective holders to prevent further wear or damage. It's also a good idea to learn about the history behind each coin you collect, because understanding its story adds a deeper level of appreciation. And most importantly, collect coins that genuinely interest you, because passion is what makes this hobby truly rewarding. As we come to the conclusion of today's video, it's clear that the 2004 Australian 50-cent fauna coin is more than just a piece of metal. It represents Australia's natural beauty, artistic craftsmanship, and the joy of collecting something meaningful. Whether you already own this coin or are thinking about adding it to your collection, it offers both aesthetic value and steady market interest. Coins like this remind us that even everyday objects can carry history, culture, and a touch of wonder. Next up, coin number 3. Today, we're diving into a truly fascinating and meaningful piece of Australian numismatic history. The Australia 50-cent coin from 1998, issued to celebrate the 200th anniversary of the voyage of Bass and Flinders. This coin is not just currency, it's a story captured in metal, a tribute to exploration, and a collectible that continues to attract attention from enthusiasts around the world. Let's begin with the history behind this beautiful coin. In 1998, Australia marked 200 years since the historic voyage of George Bass and Matthew Flinders, two explorers who played a crucial role in charting the southern coastline of the continent. Their journey confirmed that Tasmania was an island, separated from mainland Australia by what we now call the Bass Strait. To honor this milestone, the Royal Australian Mint released this commemorative 50-cent coin, making it both historically significant and emotionally valuable for collectors who appreciate coins that tell a story. Every time you look at this coin, you're reminded of courage, discovery, and the spirit of exploration that shaped a nation. Now, when we talk about the condition of a coin, especially one described as very fine, we're stepping into an important part of its value. A very fine condition coin shows moderate wear but still retains clear details. On this 1998 commemorative piece, you can still see the intricate design elements, including the depiction related to the voyage, with most features remaining sharp and recognizable. The edges may show some light wear from circulation, but overall, it remains an attractive piece that holds both aesthetic and collectible appeal. For many collectors, a very fine coin strikes a perfect balance between affordability and quality. Moving on to the background and composition, the Australian 50-cent coin is well known for its distinctive dodecagonal shape, which already makes it stand out from many other coins globally. The 1998 commemorative version follows the same structure and is composed of this cupronical alloy, gives the coin durability and a silvery appearance that ages gracefully over time. Even after years of circulation, coins like this often maintain their shine and structural integrity, which is one of the reasons they remain popular among collectors. Collector demand for this coin has stayed steady over the years, and in some cases, it has even grown. Commemorative coins tied to historical events tend to attract both seasoned collectors and beginners. The story of Bass and Flinders adds depth, and the fact that it's a limited commemorative issue makes it more appealing than regular circulation coins. While it's not considered extremely rare, its historical importance and attractive design ensure that it continues to be sought after in coin markets and online platforms. Collectors often appreciate coins like this as part of a broader collection of Australian commemoratives. Now let's talk about the current market value, which is always one of the most exciting aspects. As of today, a 1998 Australia 50 cents coin commemorating the voyage of Bass and Flinders in very fine condition typically ranges between $348,000 to $375,000. The exact price can vary depending on factors like eye appeal, slight differences in wear, and where it is being sold. Coins in better condition, such as extremely fine or uncirculated, can fetch higher prices, sometimes reaching $10 or more. While this might not seem like a huge value at first glance, the real worth lies in its collectability and long-term appreciation potential. For collectors, this coin offers a wonderful opportunity. If you're just starting out, this is an affordable and meaningful piece to add to your collection. Always try to store your coins in protective holders to prevent further wear, and avoid cleaning them, as that can actually reduce their value. It's also a great idea to learn about grading standards so you can better understand the condition of your coins and make smarter buying or selling decisions. Over time, building a collection of commemorative coins like this can become both a rewarding hobby and a valuable investment. As we come to the conclusion, the 1998 Australia 50 cents coin celebrating the 200th anniversary of the voyage of Bass and Flinders stands as a remarkable blend of history, artistry, and collectability. It may not be the rarest coin out there, but it carries a story that resonates deeply with collectors and history lovers alike. Its reasonable market value, combined with its significance, makes it a coin worth appreciating and holding on to. Next up, coin number 4. Today, we're diving into one of Australia's most fascinating commemorative coins, the 1970 Australian 50 cents coin, issued to mark the 200th anniversary of Captain Cook's voyage to Australia. And not just any coin, but one in very fine condition, because condition makes all the difference when it comes to value. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand its history, composition, collector demand, current market value, and some practical tips that can help you as a collector. The year 1970 was special for Australia. It marked 200 years since Captain James Cook charted the east coast of the continent in 1770. To celebrate this milestone, Australia released a commemorative 50-cent coin, a tribute to exploration and the beginning of modern Australian history. This coin features a beautifully detailed design showing Captain Cook's ship, the HM Bark Endeavour, sailing along with a map outline of Australia. It's not just currency, it's storytelling in metal. Now, when we talk about a coin in very fine condition, we're referring to a piece that has seen some circulation but still retains clear details. The major design elements remain sharp, though there may be moderate wear on the higher points. The lettering is still readable, and the overall appearance is attractive. This level of preservation is important because it directly impacts how collectors value the coin. One of the most interesting things about the Australian 50-cent coin is its shape. Unlike most coins, it has a distinctive dodecagonal form, meaning it has 12 sides. This makes it instantly recognizable and unique in the world of coinage. The 1970 Captain Cook commemorative coin is made from cupronickel, which is an alloy consisting of. This composition gives the coin durability, a silver-like appearance, and resistance to corrosion. It weighs and has a diameter of about. These specifications make it one of the larger and heavier circulating coins, adding to its appeal among collectors who enjoy substantial, well-crafted pieces. When it comes to collector demand, this coin holds a steady and positive position in the numismatic world. It is not extremely rare, since millions were minted, but its historical significance keeps it relevant and desirable. Collectors are particularly drawn to commemorative coins because they capture specific moments in history. The Captain Cook 200th anniversary coin is one of those pieces that combines history, artistry, and national pride. Demand increases when the coin is found in better conditions, such as very fine, extremely fine, or uncirculated. Even though it's relatively common, collectors still actively seek high-quality examples to complete their sets. Now let's talk about what most people are curious about: the current market value. For a 1970 Australian 50 cents Captain Cook coin in very fine condition, the typical market value today generally ranges between $240,000 to $275,000. The exact price can vary depending on the coin's appearance, surface quality, and where it is sold. If the coin has better eye appeal, fewer marks, and sharper details, it can lean toward the higher end of that range. On the other hand, coins with more visible wear may fall closer to the lower end. While this may not seem like a high-value coin, it's important to remember that its true worth lies in its historical significance and collectability. And in higher grades, the value can increase significantly. If you're interested in collecting this coin or coins like it, there are a few helpful ideas to keep in mind. Always pay close attention to the condition of the coin. Even small differences in wear can affect value. Try to acquire coins with clear details and minimal damage. Proper storage is also essential. Keeping your coins in protective holders or albums can prevent scratches and environmental damage. Avoid touching the surface directly with your fingers, as oils can affect the metal over time. It's also a good idea to buy from trusted dealers or reputable sources. This ensures authenticity and gives you confidence in your collection. And most importantly, collect what you enjoy. Coins like this one are not just investments. They are pieces of history that you can connect with on a personal level. The 1970 Australian 50 cents Captain Cook commemorative coin is a wonderful example of how history and numismatics come together. With its unique design, durable composition, and strong collector interest, it remains a meaningful and accessible collectible. Even in very fine condition, it holds value not just in dollars, but in the story it tells: a story of exploration, heritage, and national identity. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced collector, this coin is a great addition to any collection. It reminds us that sometimes, even the most ordinary-looking coins can carry extraordinary stories.